Shoga Fair too. Welcome to another beautiful, fun, and exciting episode of Cast and Class. And I am your nice, good, beautiful, great fan host, Nkupi, the entertainer. Last night, I got to Pretoria and I started a search of gay shifter links for my car. The reason why, there's this guy who came to my house called Mido. Shout out to Mido. Mido is the one who managed to see why my car was only driving in gear 3. Mido busted that thing. He knew, like Mido, shout out to you, Brad. Mido Gimpia, let's say Mido Gimpia Mosio, he's in Session Zone 1, my favorite. If you know him, there by Kev, Zunan extension, Kevin Bra Oliver. He's the one who checked my car and was like, bra, the reason your car is not going into gear 3, all like other gears. Yeah, true. You used O2J, O2A or O2J gear links. They used them. So for your car, you need straight VR6 because your gearbox is CCM, not V5, CCM VR6 OEM. And then even the shifter links, the one responsible for changing the gears has attached to the gearbox and has also passed through the bracket. But the other one for neutral did not attach on the bracket, through the bracket, and also cannot reach that gearbox. If it reaches, it's a modification. It attaches in a skew manner, and that disturbs the car into going into neutral and other gears. So even the tower itself, the first gear that you go to, it's 3. It doesn't have 1 in reverse there. So Mido said, you know what, bra, you need to change your shifter cables. They are not VR6. Get rid of this and make sure you get the right ones. Anyway, whoever wants O2J, is it O2J or O2A gear shifters? I have them. Just know I have them now because I'm going to remove them. No, I took a trip straight to. As I was saying, I took a trip straight to Gauteng after having a chat with Mido. Oh, by the way, we have a multi-valve engine for sale, 328. Mido has it. We're selling a multi-valve engine for E46. So yeah, took a trip straight to Pretoria. And I was busy searching. I didn't win. I booked in. Sleeping here. Today I'm gonna do a thorough search. I'm not going back home without that thing. And I'm definitely not sleeping here again. So right now I'm in Midrand. Just 2 seconds from Mall of Africa. Whoever's around, let's chill out. You're probably gonna see this video late because time is when this video comes out, I'll be gone. I'll be in Pologwat, so the chill out session won't work. So yeah, guys, I'm going to be around. Those who can assist, please, tell who you know has that thing. If I haven't found it, because if you are going to see this video, the chances are I would have found it already. So thank you for the support, for just watching the video. Yeah, today I'm going to Tapelo, Anza. They are my potential 2 people who might assist me. Anza Vura Doctor is in Benoni, Tapelo is in Soweto. There's 2 people, one must die. So yeah, guys, let me start my day. Let's move. Muta. Hey, come out with a via, Molfasi. Hey, with a via. Hey, the passage are not 30, my niche. Mararie. After all this trips and that, someone comes, you tell them that you want 159,000 for your VR6. They come and say, what lame? Why is that car expensive? I've been booking, sleeping in costly places just so I can wake up and go fetch the part, then go home. There's a lot of money which was spent on this. And when I wait, like a you tell me crazy things. Fuck off. And about enough people who want to tell me how to drive. You're Muruskont. I'm not your father. You are not. You know my father's name. It's Nelson Pilus. None of you are Nelson Pilus. Fuck off. Wanna teach me how to drive? Are you mad? Think I'm your son? I don't smoke drugs. When are you a man and your child is smoking? He's smoking weed, drinking alcohol, sleeping not sleeping at your house, not even talking to you, his father, but you want to come and address me. No, I don't smoke. My father taught me well not to smoke, not to drink alcohol, not to come home late, not to insult. So when those things, your son is doing all of them, you can't do anything. And you come to the one who's not doing everything that your son does, and you come and address me. You failed as a man, raising your boys and coming to tell me how to do my stuff. Fuck off! Don't listen to you now. You are nothing. You were nowhere to be found when I was starting this project. Now I'm test driving, you are telling me nonsense. Hey man, my daughter, they're driving with 300 more like overtaking. Hey, you must drive nice. Hey, when it's done by other people there. This spinner strategy. Spinning strategy. Le buyer face too much. The buyer face too much. KZN VR6 boy, they are vile, look 350. Some 350 I share GTI. Mara le nonsense. Le buyer face too much. And then I can tell you more too. Murskond, everyone who wants to give me advice. Murskond. Yeah, you must go tell your chromosomes those things. Ariye, nakabaraka we make it. I'm working on this uphill. Huh? Look at the fast Kuja Mall of Africa because I was booked in somewhere there. Arrest. None of you are assisting in anything. Marlutono like Alamulo, Muka drive nice. Keremurskon to Kamoka, little chromosomes telling you offspring Kamoka. Kibonaba Sajuba Bush. Lena, you want people to be rude. You order rudeness, you will get rudeness. Play stupid games, get stupid prizes. Blind. Blind. You know, I don't as far as you say, and the ball video of Gushara, and as what is Logan. Marimurskon, judging what you come to comment. Your mood, Rebo, gave a comment and one of our Gorgiri. Heaven, you don't want to move, you go to a long movie. The Murskon, you will never see light of day. You must come and comment and tell me how to drive. Tell me about safety and hey, what. Bo, I can allow and I'm not your drunk son. I'm not your drunk son who spends your money, hard-earned money on alcohol. Your son will crash because he never spent a cent building a car. He doesn't know how much it cost. He got it from you. And he takes the same car, goes to buy alcohol, get drunk and crash in the same car. And you still have to pay the medical cost, you yourself. And you call yourself a father. You are not my father, chief. You're not. And funny enough, this thing is coming from grown people only. Now, Lukula, and when I'm a screen protect Tagu woman. If I saw like a Stelukolo, San saving. Mamma Toto Lalen. Lukula. Hey, Mazula Gayata go ever to. You know, this intersection is very busy. With the nice rides and everything. Okay, Sila. Bye. Guys, the Bolt brought my stuff. The Bolt brought my stuff. Okay, they are real VR6 links. Yeah. And You'll see when I get there. Jwale ka bala lo ema banna go leso. Apa go sta re selo. Wa jele di ngwe no fit. Mara mboje man go le fisha game bro. Where is it now? Look at what lo ema. Indodiazo. Mara ke she. Go le diazo. Batho ba ema. Feta Mazda khanudia nyo go no bona taxi shile ya feta khane batho ba ya ge ye ba ifologile Ford Cougar college di swa gambe
Wani fulululera nya ka kana mfano la bile yo la bishije o sa tsosa nya ka ya insurance aba funa very quick.
Guys, I just got back with my Paul. I just got back. The time is but Paul came because I found the starter and he came all the way. The time is so I put the links in the car. I want to do everything tomorrow. Make sure my car is 100. Let me go tell you all about it. Let me go give you a story time. Oh, guys, I wish I could sit and talk, but I'm very tired. I had a long day up and down searching for things. So how I ended up with Brapol also wanted a starter and I managed to get someone who has a starter. Brapol met me halfway and I got into his car and then we came home. He got his starter and I got my links. So yeah guys, tomorrow go like the links. Why? K1, R1, you can't wait. That is all I have for this episode of Castle St. Lesser Videos. Could be for good fellows to be challenging.